This is how you fix a hard drive. We're trying to get in there. I think there's a scratch on it. We're not sure. But I gotta get in there and yeah, it still spins, so we're okay. This is a very technical tool. It's called a vise, and you crush things with it. And you go like this, you know. And I'm not sure. I haven't taken any courses in like, you know, computerology or anything, but I'm pretty sure this is how you fix it. And I'm pretty sure this is how you fix it. See that there? That's a scratch, and I don't know how that got there, but we gotta get it out. Okay, don't try this at home. Unless your mom lets you. Or your dad doesn't. Alright. That's actually kind of cool. This is what reads the disc. And this is, it's already fucked, even with the scratch. We're trying to get the scratches out here.
Trying to bump out the dent too.
Yeah. Can we get that off? I'd love to be able to get that out. Yeah, that'd be cool. Let's get these.
Oh, you pried that out. Pried it out of its place.
This was brought to you by a half-full can of Rockstar and us escaping a train. Sorry, I think we're done us first. Case closed. Hard drive fixed. And then we'll just put it back together. And we'll just get it out. There you go. Next time you need your hard drive fixed, come to Fix some hard drive, please. All your hard drive needs.